I have really enjoyed this meeting to see these wonderful creative people and their projects. And what can I say? I can congratulate Slovenia on having this talent, and I think Slovenia has this talent now because it's done so much, so many right things to provide the ground for these people to do that kind of research. Invest, create the right infrastructure, be attractive to people coming in. We've seen a professor who's come from a famous Californian university. So I think what we're seeing, the increase in success from Slovenian researchers will go on if this continues. And I'm hoping that Slovenia will see the success it's created and continue to support and expand, to continue to be attractive. I should also remind people it's not just for the researchers themselves, it's also the young talent they train. They train people who will be good for the country, and they retain people who might otherwise go to California. Now they can stay here. So I really commend the ministry, the political side, and of course the scientists for having achieved this.